welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at. Okay, we're not gonna be taking a look at. I was about to do top 20, but I think that let's do meme coins. I took a look at some of the BRC 20 coins, but they're super new, and so because we are chartists, technical analysts, and so we need to have charts before we can come to a conclusion on whether if there is going to be a possible super volatile event towards the upside. So I think it would be wise if we took a look at a category that is more established but is pretty hot right now, which is meme coins. So how about that? Let's take a look at meme coins, shall we? Should we take a look at the top to down from market cap, or should we look at the most volatile one? I think let's just look at the most volatile one, shall we? It's going to be very, 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 very risky. I don't do these kind of things, but it's going to be very, very risky. So if you do decide to make a move for meme coins, do know that there's a likelihood that you're going to lose everything. With that being said, let's continue with it. Ladies, right? Milady meme coin. Ladies. All my single ladies. All my single ladies. Oh, sorry. I was looking at Dex tools, right? Ladies. All my single ladies. All my single ladies. Now put your hands up. Oh, 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 oh. So for ladies, against Rep Eth, yes sir. If you look over here on the daily, there is a strong move towards the upside. We are potentially in some sort of a consolidation, but again, I can't say for sure. There are no clear tradable chart patterns for ladies. Could we just, go full on ape towards the upside? Yeah, sure, of course. For sure. But I suspect that ladies could also drop a little bit. If we could get something like that, oh, this would be awesome for ladies, right? But we don't see it yet at the moment, and I think it's very risky to be going into ladies right now. Sure, I could feel the desire to take out this high, right? So we might form another higher high. But again, no guarantees, right? We may just start rising up from here. So be careful, be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon. For Milady is up 7,520%, right? From the very bottom to the very top. Okay, you can see it here. From the very bottom to the very top. This is actually, I don't know how many percent is this. 10,000%, is it? 100,000%. Holy shit. This is 1,000x. If you have 1,000 over here, you have 1,000,000 at the top. Crazy stuff, right? Absolute crazy stuff. So yeah, that's Milady's for you. Moving on would be GINUX, green Shiba Inu. Okay, but there are no, it's not ranked, but let's just take a look, right? GINUX, GINUX, green Shiba Inu. It's 80. Okay, let's take a look at GINUX. Let's move up a little bit higher. So for GINUX against USD, the highs are here. So and we're already above the skinny pink line, and GINUX has been around since, what is this, 21. Wow, okay, June 21. Now it's already 23. So so the OG meme coins could be making a comeback, as evidenced by green Shiba Inu, right? But I don't know about it. There are some questionable attributes, right? There's buy and sell tax. Normally it's 0, but there's buy and sell tax, and you can also retrieve ownership. So I will not be doing this. I will highly discourage doing this, and so we're not going to be doing. I would highly discourage trading GINUX, right? Rabbit King, RB. Let's go. I'm just going to consider this as a second coin of the day, right? We'll try to keep it to 10 coins if possible. Under 10 coins. What is it? Rabbit Finance? No. Rabbit King. RB as in Rabbit King. Okay, it's 72. So I would also just recommend moving forward. Anything under 80 is something that you don't want to be touching. So yeah, there's no information about the contract, right? It has not been verified yet. I'm not saying that it won't, suddenly start spiking, or but yeah, but it's been around since November 27, and there's just nothing. So we're moving on. Solabrador. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. 50? No. Immediately move on. 4 token, ignore 5. This is this is CZ's token. 4 token, ignore 5. Okay, 99. Let's take a look at it. Where is this? Okay, but it just keeps rising higher and higher and higher, right? So let's just drop down to the 4 hours and see if there's anything interesting that we could identify. Yeah, sure. Again, you can argue, right? On the smaller time frames, you probably see it, right? There's some sort of a consolidation over here. Pew! We rose up. Again, another type of consolidation. Pew! We rose up. I am going to assume that there will be another wave higher, right? If we were to consider this whole thing as a wave 1. You can even count the subwaves, right? 1, 2, okay, it's very small, right? Okay, let's just move it down here. Okay, look at the subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, right? Again, 1. Is this a 1? Or could this be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Wave 3, and wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So if this whole thing, let's just take it from the bottom to the very top, is a wave 1, 600%. From the very top, from the very bottom to the very top is 1002%, which is going to tie in with our theory, right? This is called the Elliott wave theory, right? Usually when things are moving impulsively towards the upside, it moves up in waves of 5, right? And wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So it ties in very well. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I was saying that there could possibly, very likely, be another move higher for 4 token, right? Could there be like 7 waves? Yeah, sure, of course. But more likely than not, there should be another wave higher. And this wave higher, my guess is it's not going to be longer. Of course, it's pure guessing, right? It's not going to be longer than a wave 3. So it might be just a very small type of a 5 over here. So if you got into 4 token anywhere here or anywhere here, it'll be wise to secure some of your profits, because you just don't know how much higher things are going to go, right? I'm going to assume there will be another high, but I can't say for sure how much higher. So yeah, there you go. That's 4 token for you. Interesting stuff, huh? Interesting stuff, huh? So this will be our second coin of the day, right? Old one, no. Dingo coin. Let's check out Dingo. Coin number 3. Dingo. Dingo to 67. Nope. Immediately move on. Next, the coin CateCoin. Okay, the cat's gonna be out of the bag. The cat's gonna be out of the bag because the boys and I are looking at CateCoin actually, to be honest. So yeah, this is something like a gift for you. So if you look at CateCoin, we are in a very big accumulation consolidation phase, right? Of course, you have to ignore this. This is potentially an A, B, C. We might get a D, E over here, and then we get a super blast off for CateCoin against Rep BNB, right? It's on the BNB chain, so fees are pretty cheap, right? Of course, there is also buy and sell tax, right? But the point is, the fees are cheap, and we are just, you know, lurking under the scalping line. So there could be a very big spike eventually for CateCoin towards the upside, because it is going to make sense, right? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, dogs and cats, right? So CateCoin could also tie in very well with the the dogs and cat theory, right? Oh my god, yeah. So CateCoin is one of the possibilities, but again, you have to be very careful, because this could also turn into a descending triangle, and it could just collapse all the way to the bottom, right? So you could lose everything if it goes wrong. So you need to be very, very careful and apply proper risk management strategies if you were to put on a trade for CateCoin. But we're expecting CateCoin to really truly blast off, and I think I've said this many times before, that the width of the accumulation is usually equivalent to the height of the rise. So there could be a very big move coming on for CateCoin. Moreover, if we were to tie this with the Elliott wave theory, this is just wave 1, right? So how high was wave 1? 131x, 13,000%. Who's to say that we won't reach more than that, right? Let's say we, you know, go to 39,000%. Do you think there's a possibility? Of course. But again, we'll be taking profits along the way up if it were to happen, right? If we were to start going parabolic. So there you go. A gift for you. Moving on would be Vault. I think you took a look at Vault last week, if I'm not wrong. So Vault Inu. Okay, we're gonna look at the 99 one. we're not gonna look at the 75. Yeah, but the 75 pointed Vault Inu. Okay, no, not this. Vault Inu has a lightning to it. Yeah, okay, this is the one. Oh, but the score is so low. Okay, let me just do this first. Hereby 64. No, we next the coin. Immediately, we next the coin, right? So we did Milady. I think we did green Shiba, did we? Or did we do ignore FUD? Okay, I forgot about it. CateCoin. I'm going to consider as 3 in, right? Vault, no, move on. CATE. Let's look at CATE. So this will be our 4th coin of the day. CATE, 99. Take a look. Okay, no buy tax, no sell tax. Great. But yeah, the chart pattern is not clear. Plus, on the daily, we are already touching the skinny pink line. So there is that possibility we could go under the skinny pink line, right? Again, there is absolute zero support over here. So we could just zip down. Of course, no guarantees, and we could just start, breaking higher. But in terms of a tradability, CateCoin is just not something that I will be trading, right? See a lot of selling happening over here, but of course we are falling in a very controlled manner, so there could just be a sudden spike here, right? And again, you can also assume the possibility of an Elliott wave theory wave 3 coming up, possibly, but yeah, this is not the kind of coin that, as a proper technical analyst with a proper trading strategy, and if things don't fit your trading strategy, you just have to next the coin. So we're gonna next CATE. Maybe eventually, if it rolls up, we have a proper consolidation, then yeah, of course, we might consider CATE, but yeah, not at the moment. So we are moving forward. CHIMU, number 5. CHIMS, CHEMS. CHIMS, 99. Wrapped, not wrapped, what am I talking about? BNB chain. So CHIMS, no. Oh my god. Yeah. Buy tax 8%. Sell tax also 8%. So it's a big no. No. So a lot of selling has been happening. So yeah, you don't always get high quality high quality opportunities, right? Very few, far and few between. Right. Let's just consider this as not number 5. Let's take a look at Cramer coin. Let's consider this as number 5. How about that? Cramer. All right, 99. But there's still buy and sell tax, you see. 4%, I don't like that. Tax modifiable, transfer possible. Right. Unlimited number of, no trading cooldown. Yeah, they have all these things. And the owner address has yet to renounce. Nope. But sure, from a technical standpoint, there could be a squeeze coming on, right? Absolutely, I think Cramer could be going crazy, right? But the contract is, I don't know. It's there are some not exactly what I would consider as red flags, but I will consider this as yellow flags. So it's, if you were to make a move for Cramer, you have to do it with caution. Right, I still suspect we're gonna take out these lows. Right, I think it's gonna be a dip. Again, I can't say for sure, but from where I am right now, Cramer is a no for me. But it does have potential, though. It definitely does have potential. But yeah, I can't say for sure. So maybe if it does what we think it does, then probably by the time it finishes consolidating, it'll be probably October. So yeah, we'll have to see how it goes first, though. We'll have to see. Right. Moving on. Let's look for coin number 6. SnailBrook. Yeah, I was looking at SnailBrook before I started. So I was like, SnailBrook? What's SnailBrook? Oh, SnailBrook was actually the utopian city of Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk, SnailBrook, right? So I was looking at it, and on Daily Mail, Daily Mail is a gossip Oh my god. Yeah, so I was like, oh, okay, interesting. This is interesting stuff. SnailBrook. There's just nothing much, but you know, maybe not yet. Eventually, you know, as it expands, right? But yeah, nah, I don't know about SnailBrook. But anyway, from a trading standpoint, from a technical standpoint, right? Let's zoom down to the 4 hours. Yeah, there's just nothing much at the moment, right? No clear tradable chart patterns, you know. It's very new though, just on the 21st of April. It's only 16th of May, so it's only been around for a month. No clear tradable chart patterns. Doesn't mean we can't go any higher, but I will be very careful about trading SnailBrook, because the thing about trading on decentralized in a DeFi is that you can't put a stop loss. There are derivatives, but their choices are very limited. So when you're trading meme coins, the only direction is up, and you just can't put a stop loss. The reason why you can't put a stop loss is things can just go wrong, and it can just go wrong very fast, and you just can't get out of the trade, right? There may be a lack of liquidity when things are dropping, so you need to be very, very careful about rushing into anything, right? You must have a proper risk management strategy if you want to make a move, to trade whatever coin it is, right? So let's consider SnailBrook as coin number 6. SQUIDGROW. Okay, I haven't seen SQUIDGROW yet, so I'm not sure what SQUIDGROW is. Okay, 11 months ago. Okay. But the sell tax is so high. This gets a no for me. Right, if you move up to the daily, but the chart pattern looks like it could be consolidating, right? Again, can you see this? Yeah, no, I wouldn't, but this whole thing could be a 1, right? So we could get a big 2 coming on. Oh, SQUIDGROW. There could be something for SQUIDGROW. Right, A, B, C, D, E. July, maybe? Holy shit. Yeah, transfer possible unlimited number of... Oh, but the owner has renounced. Oh, I see. Okay, that's very interesting. The owner has renounced. Okay, when you see an owner address as 0x00000 means they've renounced. They've renounced ownership. So, okay. It's only the tax thingy that's bothering me. Oh, okay, but it doesn't mean that it is untradeable. Okay, there could be something here for SQUIDGROW though, to be honest. There's something for SQUIDGROW. Ta-da! Interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff, and it's on BNB chain, so the fees are quite low. Ho 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 ho. I think the whales are accumulating. I think they're about to push the price higher. If it happens the way we expect it to, right? Okay, some support over here, so we might drop a little bit lower. If you were to look over here, this is not exactly, but something like a descending that we are falling down from. So yeah, I'm expecting us to drop to this area. Right, I think it probably would also be tying. It would. Okay, let me just adjust some of the settings. I don't want any background. Okay, good enough. This is not lock. Okay, lock scale, great. So I think that we might be heading to 0.618. Okay, 0.618. Let's make it brighter. Okay, because this is the most important level. 0.618, which is going to tie in very well to. Do you see where this is? Do you see where this is? Okay, let me just add fib retracement. Let me add another one. Horizontal ray, yes sir. So if you look over here, yeah, this could tie in very well with this possibility that we drop to 9030. We are like 1130, right? So we drop to, no, let's just call it 113. 113. and the hope is that we drop to 90. So 90 will bring us towards 0.618. Where's the... Okay, I don't, it's very difficult to tell. Okay, it's 47% down. If you make an entry here, and if you get things wrong, right, and if you think of putting a stop loss over here, you're going to be 47% poorer if it drops. Not just 47% poorer, you still have to consider the sell tax over here. So it's going to be like 60. I don't know, man. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's why you must be prepared to lose it all. There is a potential you could lose it all. So you cannot put too much into it, because things can always go wrong anytime, right? Nope. So yeah, but SQUIDGROW has potential, right? SQUIDGROW looks good. To me, it does look good. So there you go. SQUIDGROW! It's coin number 7, right? 6 or 7? 7. SQUIDGROW! Alright, let's look at Shih. Coin number 8. Shih. Is this the same? No, it's different. Okay, let's look at Shih with... Okay, let's just look at the logo. Okay, that's the same logo. Shih. Shih's one of the loudest dogs around. Whenever they bark, right, it's really, really loud. Shih. Oh, but we've broken down. Sorry, we've broken out. We've broken out of the falling channel. Holy shit. Okay. But in terms of tradability, I don't really see it though. Yeah. Do you see this descending triangle, right? Do you see this descending triangle? Descending triangle. Collapse. Right. I don't know, man. 94? Huh. Let's look at it. Owner address unknown. Fishy. Fishy. Okay. Let's check out. Open link in private window. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you check the order of a smart contract. Right? Whether if it is already, they've renounced ownership. So, this is Etherscan. You just go to the contract, go to read contract, right? And then you go to where's the owner? There's no owner over here. So is it ownerless? Again, I'm not sure. Source code aspect does not provide guarantees on their safety and accuracy. Okay, it's a bit, I don't know. If there is a high quality, chart pattern like SQUIDGROW, right, there are some questionable attributes like buy and sell text, but the potential for a spike is there. We will add it to the short list or watch list, because we are technical analysts. We look at chart patterns, right? We do not put too much weight onto the fundamentals. Of course, we know that memecoins has 0, but the point is, there's just nothing much happening for Shih. And yeah, again, I think we're gonna have to next Shih, right? It has potential though, but I cannot see it yet. When would I consider Shih? Yeah, it needs to spike back up, or maybe something clearer over here, right? It feels to me like we're kind of curving back down, right? So there's also that risk, right? Although we're already out of the falling channel, but there's that risk as well for Shih. So be very careful, right? Coin number 7, coin number 8. DOGEGF. Let's look at DOGEGF. DOGEGF. This is 99. There's a pull fee. Okay. There's a pull fee of 0.05. Okay. DOGEGF is DOGEGF. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. Why? Right, if you just pull it across the support line, right? Mountains. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, Mountain 4. There was a rally, but we got pulled back down. So very likely, we're going to fall lower for DOGEGF. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. You can tell when things are looking pretty bearish by the chart patterns, right? Every time there is a rally, it gets pulled down. Rally, it gets pulled down. Rarely it gets pulled down, right? Rarely, immediately it gets pulled down. I mean, of course, we could be wrong, and this whole thing could be like a squeeze as well, right? A, B, C, D, E over here. We continue higher. For sure. But yeah, nope, not for me. Not for me. This is just, the support line is just, it's just too obvious for me. It's just too clear, you know, just so it's just too clear. So yeah, this is how you watch out for risks, right? To make it as a trader, you need to protect your capital. You cannot drain your capital by gambling away everything. So you must be very selective, and you need to be choosy with your trades. And for DOGEGF, it's a next. Okay, let's look at coin number 9. Doge eat Doge. What? Okay, let's look at OMNOM. 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 Give me a 99.83. Okay, let's just take a look. Don't really, but let's just take a look. Okay, we don't have much information over here. But okay, slowing down. It is slowing down. This is cool. We've already negated the bearishness. Okay, let me tell you what I mean. Right. As it was falling, what happened was it created a descending triangle, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, Mountain 4. You would expect it to collapse, right? But it didn't. What did it do instead? It dropped, it rallied back up. What did it do? It took out all the stop buys. Okay, you can't have stop buys, but it took out all the highs over here. So you could feel the desire of OMNOM to start reversing back up. Potentially, of course, no guarantees. Potentially, it could be in a very long consolidation. This could be a clue, though, right? Clues usually come in threes, right? Good things come in threes. So this could be a 1 that's coming on, right? There could be a 2, and then there could be a 3, and then we blast off. Potentially. But I don't see it yet, right? Anyway, when things end, when a bearish trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. So it feels to me like we could be doing it for Doge eat Doge, OMNOM. You see that? Yeah, but again, I'll give it more time, maybe until like June, to see what happens over here, right? Because we just don't have any information yet. So we need to give OMNOM a little bit more time to show us what the whales, are doing, right? Are they accumulating? Do they have intention of pushing it higher? Again, we'll have to be patient, right? So that's coin number 8 for you. Let's move on to coin number 9. Doge Killer LEASH. Okay, this is I don't know if it still looks that good. But Doge Killer. There's something for Doge Killer. There's actually something for Doge Killer, right? And Doge Killer is yeah, potentially. Oh no, it's not. Okay, it's another one. Anyway, for Doge Killer LEASH, yeah, nope, we don't see any clear tradable chart patterns. We are in a falling channel. Yeah, so there could be a break coming on, right? You can argue falling channel, break out, right? There could be a break as well, but again, in terms of tradability, I just don't see it yet. So you need to be very, very careful about rushing into anything for LEASH. I just don't see it yet, not at this point of time, right? We tried breaking above the skinny pink line though, but we got slapped back down. And you can also argue that we might be getting head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder ahead, and potentially a right shoulder over here as we collapse even lower for LEASH. So the danger is still there that LEASH could drop lower. Sure, you can argue falling channels break higher, but how much higher are we going to break, right? So for example, let me just show you. Okay, to draw it as accurate as you can. Okay, so for LEASH against WETH, right? Falling channel, we broke out. Retrace, retested the support. We rose higher, so we formed a higher high. But yep, nope, there was selling pressure that came in, put the price lower. So yeah, the same thing could happen over here, right? There is danger, so you need to be very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Doge Killer LEASH. It's coin number 9, coin number 10. Onigiri Neko. ONIGI. Okay, let's look at ONIGI. ONIGI. Onigiri Neko. Is this the logo? Yeah, okay. Let's take a look. 4 months ago. Oh. Was it in March? February? Oh boy, it's not looking good. Yeah, so you see, okay, this is a very good example of chart pattern failures, right? Chart pattern that works out and chart pattern that doesn't work out. So if you look at Onigiri Neko, right, there's a very nice symmetrical triangle, very high quality, A, B, C, D, E, right? I mean, of course, at the point of time, you don't have this, right? Hindsight is always 2020. And you could see a consolidation happening over here, right? Potential wave E, boom, you were expecting to break out, right? So that's why when you start seeing big selling pressure coming in, you need to be able to get out of the trade, right? And you must apply proper risk management strategies, and that's why you must have a stop loss, and you don't lose everything, right? If you have proper stop losses. But yeah, it's not looking good. Not to me. Not at this point of time. Could we eventually start breaking back up? Of course. But again, even when things were falling, you might have liquidity problems because we are in a DeFi is just very difficult at the moment, right? It's still very, you know, it's in its infancy, right? So yeah, you just can't get out and you can't trade with size. There's no meaning for you. I mean, you can trade for fun, right? But to make serious money, it's pure gambling to hope that you know, things would, you know, happen the way that you expect it to. So if you were to put on trades, you need to secure your profits as you go along, right? So yeah, but it's not looking good, not at this point in time. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top meme coins technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.